Casper here with my leadership tip of the week. I'm going to start with a brief story. When I was a kid at school, I must have been about, 10 or 11, I was always the kid who was told they couldn't sing, and I had to stand there in assembly and mime the words. Ever since then, I've always thought that I could not sing. Back in December, I had an opportunity to sign up for an opera singing lesson, and I'm a great believer of taking on the things, the beliefs, which you think are holding you back. So I feel a little bit emotional because I've just literally walked out of my first ever opera singing lesson, and the guy basically said, you can actually sing. Now, I'm not going to go and start singing publicly or anything like that on stages, but it's amazing that actually, we carry these stories inside ourselves all our lives about we can do this, we can't do this, and actually we are capable of so much more than we think we are. So my question to you is, what's the thing that you've held all your life that may be holding you back? And is it time to go and tackle that? Anyway, that's my thought for the week. Go and grab hold of those beliefs. I think I might go home and sing in the shower tonight. All right, everyone, have an amazing week. This is Casper, out.